Gabriel. Gabriel. Open up your eyes, boy. Say more.
Yeah. Gabriel. Gabriel. Hi, baby. Come on. Just a little bit more. Alright? Just a little bit more and I'll let you be. Alright? Come on. Come on. He's like, if it's just a little bit more, leave me alone.
Make him take it. Yeah, finish, at least finish the bottle. It's another good reason to keep him awake, though. Hey. 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 Oh, it's 1 o'clock. I ain't gonna be awake.
Gabriel. Hey, boy. Wake up. Alright, that's enough. I don't want to know what you're. You want to stick it on here? You look like Popeye. You look like Popeye. Hey, gorgeous.
He's pretty much out already. Burping real quick.
Hey,
You
gorgeous.
look at him. Unconscious. Yeah. Yeah. Set him right up and he just starts burping.
That is awesome. You are awesome.
You just don't know how awesome it is, really.
You are so cool.
Sit there for 10 minutes and try to get a baby to burp.
You are so awesome.
Where if you're hurting his back, your hands hurting, your shoulders start getting sore.
You are so
Like,
awesome.
would you burp already?
Oh.
I got all that on video. Big burps. Yeah, big old burps.
Take after the Zacky's feeling.
Look at Mama choking him. Mommy. Look at those cheeks. He's got to be out after that one. Burp.
Look, Aunt Michelle, he's got your outfit on. Uncle Bob and Aunt Michelle. He's got your little. There, can't see it. Oh, you can see it right here.
He is just out. Comatose.